shine through when the sky is gray.
Seriously, I didn't understand what the man was teaching in class today. That's why you saw me. I sat from the beginning of the class till the end. I didn't understand. Seriously, do you understand?
I understood perfectly well. So maybe you just come around my house so I can put you through, okay?
Okay.
I like to keep you from breaking my heart. Ooh. To keep you from breaking my heart. Ooh. Even though I said don't touch me, it all comes down to this. I miss your morning kiss. I won't lie, I'm feeling it. You don't know.
Valerie. Valerie, I've been calling you. I've been sending you messages. You're not replying me. What's happening?
Are you asking me what is happening?
See, Valerie, you weren't like this before. Why are you changing all of a sudden?
Have I not told you that I don't want you in my life anymore?
Come on, Valerie, what are you talking about? So, Sonia, why can't you just talk to your friend?
Will you shut up your dirty mouth and let me talk to you? Wait, Kelvin. See, I have moved on weeks ago. Why can't you just let me be?
Listen, you just have to hear me out, okay? Hear me out. Everything will be fine. I'm an artist. See, I have 6 tracks. See, I have featured in so many cinema movies. See, I'm gonna blow very soon. See.
You will blow. You will blow. That is what I've been hearing for years now. Is it your blow that I will eat? Is it your blow that I will use to buy my clothes?
It's the color.
You will blow.
See, when I blow, I'll buy a Range Rover, I'll buy a 𝑎𝑠𝑡𝑉, I'll take it outside there. What's wrong with you?
You can really insult somebody. Look at this gown I'm wearing, Kelvin. Do you know how much I bought this gown? Do you know how much my hair costs, Kelvin? Do you know how much I use in making my nails?
See.
No, shut up. Do you know how much I bought these knuckle rings I am wearing? Look at how beautiful my skin is. Do you know, even panties, Kelvin cannot buy for me. Ordinary panties. You can't believe it, Sonia. He can't buy for me. And you call yourself an artist, a star boy.
See, just...
Don't make me angry. You are a very stupid boy. This boy is wicked.
See, Valerie, are you calling me a boy?
Yes, you are a boy. If you are not a boy, if this boy is not a boy, you will not take me to the market and price a wristwatch of 5,000 naira to buy it 400.
Oh.
That is what he's wearing.
Yeah.
You are so stupid. Your sight alone stinks. Do you understand me? It's yours. It's like because I'm wasting my time here talking to you, right?
What are we still doing here?
See.
Are you standing to look
calm down.
to listen to this?
Valerie,
What are you doing here? Let's go, I beg.
Calm down.
You gotta get up. You gotta get up and make a move. Cause the world will never see you until you do.
Valerie!
If I hear my name, if I hear you call my name,
No, they don't really care what you're going through. So you gotta show them, baby.
Valerie, you can't just walk away like that.
You gotta give them what you got. No, don't let them see what you're not. Cause you are strong. You are wise. You are worth beyond 1,000 reasons why. And you can't be perfect, baby. Cause nobody's perfect, darling.
Valerie,
no,
you just
there's
have to do this.
nobody in the world
I put
like
this paper on me. He calling me a boy? He's calling me a boy. Yeah.
What do you do when you can't let go? What do you say when you just don't know how you feel? And you know nobody knows how you feel. Cause everybody's got their own damn problem. So everybody's trying to find